Hi folks, this is how you do a Creative Commons licensing search to help you find sites, information, pictures, music that is part of the Creative Commons. So you go onto your Google search just like you're looking at this page, and then you find yourself down here and click on Settings, Advanced Search. Through this whole list, you type in what you want to search. I want to search Tom Dooley song. And come down here. Hi folks, this is how you look for information online. So you go to the Google search page just like this, and you want to look for Creative Commons licensing, pages that are okay to use, pictures, sound bites, anything like that. Go to settings down here, or you might find a gear, a little circle guy up here. Here mine has settings down here. Click on advanced search. Type in what you're searching, guys. So I want to type in Tom Dooley, it's a song. You can write in as many versions of that as you want, but this is sufficient. You can leave all this the same if you like. You want any language. If you don't want any language, then you could click on the language you speak, because you're only going to want to read things in the language you speak. Maybe you speak 2 languages. I don't know. Okay. You can click from where you want to get information from. Last time it was considered new, so maybe you want to have information that's fairly new in the past year. Then you go down here and see if it's a safe search anywhere in the page. All this, but here's what we want to click on: usage rights. Whoop, whoop, whoop. There it is. And you want to have free use to share, advanced search, and there we have it. Thank you.